People who have children, small children, they always think about this common thing that how to take care of a child during summer, because normally the first and the foremost part of taking care of a child, a baby, is to do oil massage, a very nice massage. And it's always told that if you do oil massage for a child nicely, then that adds to the child's growth. Now I really don't know how far it's true and how far it's a myth, but taking care of a child is really very important, right? And now during this summer it's really difficult to know what exactly we can do to take care of a child. You cannot really give too much of oil massage. Sometimes it leads towards a rash or skin irritation because of excessive heat and sweat, right? Doctors also suggest not to use oil. Powder also is suggested not to use because they might close the pores, they might stop the natural process called sweating. So you must be wondering like how you can take care of your child. So I just thought, since I'm a mother of 2 children and I have taken care of my children by myself, I did not have any people, any attendant or something who can take care of my children. I did it by myself. So I just thought I'll share my opinion. And I have actually reviewed couple of baby products, and when I was checking the comments, I saw that someone actually wanted to know how to take care of a child during summer. So I thought it's always good to make a separate video about a child's care during summer. Now during summer, the very important part is you have to give bath to your child every day in lukewarm water. The water should not be very cold, the water should not be very hot, make it lukewarm. Put this part of your hand in water like this, or this part like this. Check the temperature. If you think that this water is drinkable, right, if you think that you can drink this water, that particular temperature is called lukewarm. Otherwise there is nothing called lukewarm. There is no deadline for lukewarm water. But if you think, okay, I can drink this water, that means it's perfect for baby's bath. Now products which I have taken today belong to this one brand, Johnson & Johnson. And why Johnson & Johnson? Because this is perhaps the most common brand, right? So a soap is very important. This is a Johnson & Johnson soap, and I've used it so much. My children and I use baby soaps. So yeah, a soap is very important. At least twice a week wash your baby with a soap or a top to toe kind of a thing. At least once a week or twice a week use baby shampoo. This is very, very important. These shampoos are really mild, even you can use them, and they are absolutely perfect for baby's hair and scalp. So make sure you apply shampoo at least twice a week, because there might be dandruff, there might be excessive sweating, irritation, but if you keep cleaning your baby's scalp, there will be no harm, no rash, no itching, nothing. Your baby will be absolutely fine during summer. Another thing is, guys, you often think whether I should use a cream or a lotion or what. Now guys, lotions are always good. Lotions are always good. Again, this is Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. This is a brand new thing. I have not opened the seal yet. I'm really fond of this product. This is a 100 ml container, and the shampoo was a 500 ml shampoo. This one is 360 rupees, and you can keep this one for 3 years, so that's the shelf life. And this is a baby lotion. You can keep this baby lotion again for 3 years, and this is really mild. This is not oily, this is comfortable. If you are using soap or a top to toe or stuffs like that, and your baby's skin is dry even during summer, just remember that you cannot really do excessive oil massage because of the heat and sweating. So this is an ideal product for summer. Apply this one all over your body, face, hands, each and every part of the baby's body. This is absolutely perfect. You can also use a baby cream. That is also good, like this kind of creams, especially the pink one. This is really mild and fantastic one. This is a 50 grams tube, and the price, I don't really see the price now. Yeah, it is 70 rupees. It's mentioned over here, and again you can keep it for 3 years. So yeah. Another thing is Johnson & Johnson is available in each and every online shopping portal. You can also get it from any medicine store or big big bazaar kind of stores, right? They're available, they're drugstore things. So yes, you can also apply cream. However, I really do not suggest to apply cream during summer all over your baby's body. That might give the baby some kind of discomfort, so lotions are the best choice. Before your baby goes to sleep at night, you can still apply cream only on the face. And for you also, you can apply Johnson & Johnson baby cream. This is a very nice cream. It's mild, it's good for your skin. And for your baby, I really suggest to use lotion only on the face. You can use baby cream. The cream is very nice, good consistency. This is non-greasy. However, this will definitely keep the moisture intact. However, all over the body, please do not massage oil during summer, especially for this couple of summer months when there is too much of heat and sweating. Use a baby lotion. This is really fantastic. And once again guys, twice a week shampoo is a mandate. Soap once a week is fine. For the covered parts, once a week is fine. And try not to use talcum powder, no matter which brand you're using, but I would strongly suggest don't use the powders. Powders are not really good, you know. Apparently it seems that powders are preventing sweating. However, sweating is a natural process and that should happen. All right, keep cleaning your child. Use the baby wipes. They are very nice, they're full of moisture, and if you are cleaning the baby with baby wipes, there is no chance of getting rashes or something. They are clinically proven, tested for baby skin. So yeah, that's it guys. I just wanted to share my views, my opinion and my experience about how to take care of a child, of a baby during summer. And like I always say, that baby products are really fantastic even for the mother, for each and every family member. So you guys can also use baby products. Just close your eyes and go for them. And with that, I'll end today's video guys. If you think my videos are good, you can definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos notification. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.